নমস্কাৰ বন্ধুসকল, ৱেলকাম টু ইপাৰ্চেল অসম। আজিৰ এই ভিডিঅ'ত আমি ডিছকাছ কৰিম কম্পিউটাৰ এৱাৰনেছৰ টোটেল 50টা কুৱেশ্যন। এই সকলোবিলাক কুৱেশ্যন MCQ বেছ হ'ব। এই ভিডিঅ'ত আমি ভেৰিয়াছ প্ৰিভিয়াছ ইয়াৰ এক্সামৰ কম্পিউটাৰ এৱাৰনেছৰ কুৱেশ্যনসমূহ আমি ইনক্লুড কৰিলোঁ। আজিৰ এই ভিডিঅ'ৰ ফাৰ্ষ্ট কুৱেশ্যন আছে কুৱেশ্যন নম্বৰ 1, হুইচ অফ দ্য ফলোয়িং ইজ নট কাৰেক্ট মেথড অফ এডিটিং চেল কণ্টেণ্ট। ইয়াৰ কাৰেক্ট এনচাৰ হ'ব অপশ্যন নম্বৰ এ, প্ৰেছ দ্য অল্টাৰ কি। অল্টাৰ কি সহায়ত আমি চেল এডিট কৰিব নোৱাৰি, আৰু বাকী অপশ্যনসমূহৰ সহায়ত আমি যিকোনো চেল আমি এডিট কৰিব পাৰি। Next question is question number 2, which enables us to send the same letter to different person. The correct answer hobo option number C, mail merge. Mail merge hoyat ami eketa letter bibhinno personok ami send koribo pari. Next question is question number 3, which of the following device can be used to directly input printed text. The correct answer hobo option number A, OCR. OCR hoyat ami directly printed text input koribo pari. OCR full form is optical character recognition. Next question is question number 4, which of the following cable support the highest bandwidth and faster transmission rate. The correct answer of option number A, fiber optic cable. Fiber optic cable highest bandwidth and fastest transmission rate support kore. Next question is question number 5, headers and footers are used in Word document 2. Your correct answer of option number D, allow page headers and footers appear on the document when it is printing. Next question is question number 6, which of the following should be used when you want to add slide to existing presentation. Your correct answer of option number B, insert new slide. Insert go new slide kori ami existing presentation slide add koribo pari. Next question is question number 7, want your logo in the same position on every slide automatically. Insert it on the, your correct answer hobo option number C, slide master. Slide master hoyat ami eketa logo প্ৰতিটো স্লাইডত আমি অটোমেটিক্যালি ইনসার্ট কৰিব পাৰি। নেক্সট কোয়েশ্চন আছে কোয়েশ্চন নম্বৰ 8, ইউ ক্যান সিলেক্ট টেক্সট ফ্ৰম। ইয়াৰ কাৰেক্ট আনসাৰ হ'ব অপশ্যন নম্বৰ চি, বোথ এণ্ড বি। আমি কিবোৰ্ড আৰু মাউচৰ সহায়ত আমি যিকোনো টেক্সট সিলেক্ট কৰিব পাৰি। নেক্সট কোয়েশ্চন আছে কোয়েশ্চন নম্বৰ 9, হুইচ কমান্ড ব্ৰিংছ ইউ টু দ্য ফাৰ্ষ্ট স্লাইড ইন ইয়ৰ প্ৰেজেণ্টেশ্যন। ইয়াৰ কাৰেক্ট আনসাৰ হ'ব অপশ্যন নম্বৰ চি, কণ্ট্ৰল প্লাছ হোম। কণ্ট্ৰল প্লাছ হোম প্ৰেছ কৰিলে আমি প্ৰেজেণ্টেশ্যনৰ ফাৰ্ষ্ট স্লাইডত আমি মুভ কৰোঁ। Next question is question number 10, to insert a new slide in the current presentation we can choose. Correct answer of option number A, control plus M. Control plus M or hoyat ami current presentation new slide add koribo pari. Next question is question number 11, animation skill can be applied to dash in the presentation. Your correct answer hobo all of the above. Animation skill ami protek slide ot ami use koribo pari. Next question is question number 12, what are the symbols used to identify items in a list. Your correct answer option number C, bullets. Bullets or hoyat ami listot item identify koribo pari. Next question is question number 13, if you have a PowerPoint show you created and want to send using email to your officer, you can add the file to your email message as. Your correct answer option number B, attachment. Ami mailot attachment or hoyat jikonu file add kori ami mail koribo pari. Next question is question number 14, what is the keyboard shortcut for creating a chart from the selected cell range. The correct answer is option number D, F11. F11 or hoyat ami chart create koribo pari. Next question is question number 15, the result of auto calculate is shown in bar. Correct answer of option number B, status bar. Next question is question number 16, which is not the function in MS Excel. The correct answer is option number C, AVG. AVG MS Excel or function nohoy. Next question is question number 17, some function in Excel needs to have dash before it. The correct answer of option number C, equal. Some function use kora ami equal press kori lobo lage. Next question is question number 18, which function will you use to enter current time in worksheet cell. The correct answer of option number B, equal now. Equal now function use kori ami current time worksheet use koribo pari. Next question is question number 19, to send email to large group at one time a dash can be used. The correct answer of option number A, listserv. Listserv hoyat ami large group of eketa time ot ami mail send koribo pari. Next question is question number 20, parallel port cannot connect. The correct answer of option number D, monitor. Parallel port monitor connect nohoy. Next question is question number 21, uploading means ইয়াৰ কাৰেক্ট এনচাৰ হ'ব অপশ্যন নম্বৰ বি ডাটা ইজ বিং চেণ্ড ফ্ৰম ইয়ৰ কম্পিউটাৰ টু দ্য ইণ্টাৰনেট কম্পিউটাৰৰ পৰা ইণ্টাৰনেটত ডাটা চেণ্ড কৰিলে ইয়াক আপলোডিং বুলি কোৱা হয় নেক্সট কুৱেশ্যন আছে কুৱেশ্যন নম্বৰ 22 ডিফল্ট পোৰ্ট ফৰ HTTPৰ ডিফল্ট পোৰ্ট কিমান ইয়াৰ কাৰেক্ট এনচাৰ হ'ব অপশ্যন নম্বৰ চি 80 নেক্সট কুৱেশ্যন আছে কুৱেশ্যন নম্বৰ 23 Web dash is the series of web pages on a specific topic. The correct answer of option number A, site. Website is the series of web pages on a specific topic. Next question is question number 24. Dash is the technology that allows telephone calls to be made over computer network like the internet. The correct answer of option number A, VoIP. The full form is a voice over IP. Next question is question number 25. Computer on an internet are identified by. The correct answer is option number C, IP address. IP address or computer identify kora hai. Next question is question number 26. What is the full form of www in web address? The correct answer is option number A, World Wide Web. Next question is question number 27. Verification of a login name and password is known as. The correct answer is option number B, authentication. Authentication is a verification of login name or password. Next question is question number 28. The two big differences between desktop and the notebooks are physical size and. Notebook and desktop মাজত দুটা ডাঙৰ ডিফাৰেন্স হৈছে physical size আৰু hardware. Next question is question number 29. A graphical user interface displays. The correct answer হ'ব option number C, both graphics আৰু text. Next question is question number 30. Which of the following cannot be a part of email address? The correct answer of option number D, space. Email address of space nathake. Next question is question number 31. Data and programs are stored in. The correct answer of option number C, memory. Memory data and programs store hoy thake. Next question is question number 32. Dash is a mobile operating system. The correct answer of option number A, Android. Android is a mobile operating system and Windows XP, Windows 7 or those is a computer operating system. Next question is question number 33. www uses dash protocol. The correct answer is option number B, HTTP. www uses HTTP protocol. Next question is question number 33. A firewall is used to protect a computer from. The correct answer is option number A, unauthorized user. Firewall unauthorized user pura protect kore computer. Next question is question number 34. Which key should be pressed to start a new paragraph in MS Word? MS Word new paragraph use koribole ki press kora hoy. The correct answer is option number B, enter key. Next question is question number 36. The operating system manages. The correct answer is option number D, all of the above. Operating system memory, processor, disk ebilagok manage kore. Next question is question number 37. Junk mail in a computer language refers to unidentified mail. Unidentified mailok junk mail boli koa hoy. Next question is question number 38. Post stand for. Poster full form ki. The correct answer is option number A, power on self test. Next question is question number 39. Virus is a computer. Virus ki. The correct answer is option number B, program. Virus is a program. Next question is question number 40. Which of the following memory is volatile? The correct answer is option number B, RAM. RAM is a volatile memory. Next question is question number 41. Which of the following is not present in CPU? The correct answer is option number D, none of the above. CPU ALU thake, CU thake, register thake. Gotike your correct answer is option number D, none of the above. Next question is question number 42. Name of the language directly understandable to computer. The correct answer is option number B, binary language. Binary language is 0 or 1 and a language directly computer buji pai. Next question is question number 44. Text in a column is generally aligned. The correct answer is option number C, left. Column or text left side align hoy thake. Next question is question number 45. ASCII stand for. The correct answer is option number A, American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Next question is question number 46. To correct the spelling in MS Word, we use. Your answer is option number B, spell check. MS Word spell correct koribole ami spell check use koru. Next question is question number 47. How data organized in a spreadsheet? Your correct answer is option number D, rows and columns. Spreadsheet data rows or column organized hoy thake. Next question is question number 48. BCC in email stand for? The correct answer of option number B, blind carbon copy. Next question is question number 49. Windows 98, Linux, Unix are example of? The correct answer of option number A, operating system. আজি এই ভিডিওৰ লাষ্ট question আছে question number 50. What is the number of layers in OSI model? OSI মডেলত টোটেল লেয়াৰ কেইটা থাকে? The correct answer of option number B, 7. টোটেল 7 লেয়াৰ থাকে। এইসমূহ আছিল টোটেল 50টা কুৱেশ্যন। যদি ভিডিঅ' ভাল পাইছে তেন্তে লাইক কৰিব আৰু কমেণ্ট কৰি জনাব আৰু ফিউচাৰ ভিডিঅ'সমূহ ৰেগুলাৰ আপডেট পাই থাকিবলৈ চেনেল ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিব। ধন্যবাদ।